So, hello everyone. Today we're going to clean this Vivitar Series 1 70-210 f3.5. It's a really good zoom from the 80s, I think. And then my problem, as you can see, is that the zoom is very dirty. So principally, yeah, the front element, which consists of two lenses. So I can see that there is two levels of dirty, and then afterwards let me show you the third lens, which is behind here, is also dirty. And then this is not an easy lens to work with, and then so I spent a lot of time doing tests, trying to disassemble this and that, and then finally I found the easiest way to remove this front element and then access the back lens, which is the one we want to clean. So, here. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So first of all, I already removed the rubber here, and then the things I try without success is this ring here. Let me just put the focus in. And this ring here is supposed to be removable. I wasn't able to. Here you have a few screws, but they're not related to this ring, so that didn't work either. This ring here is the helical block, so this we're going to use. So I tried removing this, because as you move here you get away from the helicoil, so you have the blocking screw here, and then if you remove the screw you can keep turning until this thing, the front, gets loose. So first I thought by removing this screw here and this screw here on the back I was able to remove it, but no, I wasn't able, because there is a kind of what is that material? Okay, yeah, some retaining ring, so I was blocked. So what I realized was the simplest at the end is to remove this screw here. There is 3 screws here, and then if you remove them, you have this thing which comes out. So you have to be very careful when you do this, because this thing indicates the infinity, and as you can see it can rotate indefinitely. So I took care of marking this before here, so I know this position is the right one for the infinity. Well, currently is not good because I already disassembled it, and then I put it just to show you. So this is one thing, and then this is the position I align with the white line to when the helicoil comes out. So we're going to do that. So we're going to remove the focus retaining screw, which is here, and then you will be able to see okay. So now I start rotating, and then you see this thing has come loose, and then since I remove this retaining ring, I'm able to separate these two elements of the lens. So this part here, which lens is rather dirty, as you can see it here, and then here as well, so the front element, so which is dirty as well. Well, not very dirty now that I don't have a background. So that's it. And then well, it's not ideal for working, but here at least I can access to clean the back of the lens. Here I have access as well to clean the front of the lens. I will clean it and I will see if it is worth probably removing it to clean also the back. But then now we're able to access the lenses we want and to clean them. And then okay, so we're going to stop the video. I'm going to clean the lenses and then I come back to remove the front element, this front ring, so we can also clean this the space in between the two lenses which are here. So see you back in a few seconds. Okay, I did a preliminary cleaning of this lens, but then I realized that it is also dirty in the back. So I think this is the first time this lens is being opened in about 30 years. And then yeah, the owner of the lens asked me kindly if I was able to clean his lens, because he really loved it a lot. He told me it wasn't the best lens in the world, but yeah, he liked it a lot, and I think it was his first professional lens. So I think this is something that people value a lot. Okay, so I removed this lens. You saw what I did. I took this rubber cup and then I just remove it. Then I'm going to be able to clean the lens. So and now I'm going to proceed to the full clean. I just wanted to show you that, so see you back in a second. Okay, so I am back. I'm done with the cleaning. You see, I had to put the glove in order to be able to clean everything. It was rather difficult to clean. So especially because here I put this cardboard here, because you have the helicoil, which grease, and then the lens, and then every time as I was coming with the paper, I was taking some of the grease of the helicoil and putting it into the lens. Wasn't ideal, so I put this cardboard that I'm going to remove now to reassembly. You see, that black thing is grease. So okay, I removed the lens here, so the front, which is rather easy. Just take the rubber cap, you rotate until it comes, you see it, and then you take off the lens, and then you're able to clean it. I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to reassemble, which is a rather important part now. So first thing I want to do is to fix this block here with respect to the ring. Have the line I made, so, and then I just need to tighten the screw here. There's 3 of them. Oop. There's one. Okay, so one, the second one. This doesn't have to be tied like crazy, because yeah, they hold easily. But then wow. I think I don't have the right tip, that's why I'm struggling with it. Okay, so this one, This is really important when you work. Try always to use the right tips, because this is oh fuck. Okay, the main reason to use them is just to avoid damaging the screws. Okay, so okay, so I am back. I had some battery trouble, but okay, so we were just aligning this. That is the line with the infinity. I had a quick big mark here that yeah, you can see it barely. Then now we're going to put the thing in. So, and then here you need some trial and error, because you see you have you release, and then to try to get into the good position to finish at infinity. So you have to do a few trials, but at the end is not as difficult as it seems. Just need some patience, and then that's for the repair pretty much. Then once I have aligned my focus, I can put the rubber, and then I am done. Don't forget to put back the screw to lock the focusing ring here, so it doesn't go away. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. And remember, be careful with this lens, because it's not an easy lens to work with.